Welcome to another episode of Buildeee House Tour. Guys, hulaan nyo nasaan ako ngayon. Wala ako sa hotel. Nasa bahay ako ng isang client ng ating guest architect. Let's welcome Architect Jordan Ong. Hello!
Hi, good afternoon.
Architect, I must say, ang ganda ng gawa ninyo. What was your inspiration for this?
Well, actually yun nga, being in line with my style, modern and semi-tropical siya. Kung makikita mo, there's lots of wood in the design and there's balconies and sunscreens, so to prevent the sunlight from coming in. So very simple massing, very streamlined.
Yeah, I'm very excited for it. Come on guys, let's check it out.
Okay, so we're right here in the living room area. As you can see, I designed it in such a way that it has a high ceiling, very airy, lots of window. So again, staying true to my style, natural light and ventilation. Yeah.
It feels so warm and cozy, no?
Yes.
Pati yung colors ay may pagka-warm din.
Yes. I'm more on earth tone. Yung mga color palette ko usually earth tone. But I have to acknowledge there's a interior designer here, and her name is Joey Chavez. Yeah. So right now we're in the dining area. This is where they entertain their guests. And we, as you can see, there's an open kitchen. So like our previous store, is still an open plan. So I want the open planning. So you can entertain your guests anywhere in the house.
Parang sarap-sarap magluto dito, no? Yung
Yes.
parang, di ba minsan pa nagluluto ka, medyo little, parang sikip, tapos yung amoy, pero this one feels like parang ang ganda ng exhaust.
Yes. And you're still part of the conversation. So hindi ka kawawa na nag-labor ka in the kitchen while your friends are having fun. You're still part of their activity, part of the conversation, and they can also chime in.
Yes. Kaya kasi ang laki ng space, so even the guests can help out, or the family members can help out when preparing the food.
Yes. So it's gonna be a wonderful, fun activity for both the guests and the host. So we're in the service kitchen. This is actually where all the heavy cookings are done. So yung clean kitchen more on mga eating, diba, baking. Here are the heavy cooking. So we use stainless steel for easy maintenance. Para punas-punas na lang. Mahirap pag yung mga stones and tiles, diba? So, and it's also anti-bac to use stainless steel. Yeah.
Okay. Maganda yung tsura niya, parang siyang ano, yung parang sa restaurant
Yes.
talaga na.
Yeah.
It's clean, parang komisaryo,
Yes.
yung feel niya.
And malaki talaga siya para yung volume ng guests nila. Kasi the owner, the client, they usually host lots of parties. They love to do parties here.
Parang may drama involved with all the lights here on the stairs.
Yes. Actually, maganda rin to kasi maganda yung collaboration talaga with me, the interior designer, and the owner actually. Si Miss Joey Chavez, she's been working with me for 5 projects now we've been together. So maganda chemistry namin. She knows my style and I know her style. We understand each other. And also, yung input din ni owner is very important. So actually, this is a collaboration.
So lahat kayo, you all agree
Yeah.
na gusto niyo yung ganitong style?
Yeah.
Anong na-invoke nito na parang vibe?
Yun nga, medyo warm, modern, streamlined. Yun yung number 1. Actually, I remember, if I can recall, first meeting namin, ang sabi ng client sa akin, I want an Ironman-looking house.
Yeah, actually now that you mentioned, oo nga, it
Yeah.
does feel like Iron Man.
She said she wants Tony Stark's house. I can very vividly. I can still recall it.
I noticed ito yung high ceiling, no? Tapos nandito
Yes.
naka-drop yung mga
Yeah.
design.
Yeah. Overlooking siya. So, may light pa rin here in the hallway. And there's as you can see, this hallway talaga is intended to be their trophy room. And at the second floor is where you can see the master suite and the bedroom of their only daughter.
Let's enter one of the rooms.
Yes. This is the room of their daughter in the second floor.
Parang hotel talaga, no? Ganun yung feel.
So she has her own toilet and bath also inside and a closet.
This seems like a huge space.
Yeah. This is actually their entertainment floor. And this is the third floor, and this is where the boys' rooms are located. And as you can see, the boys should be near their whiskeys. They cannot be far away from the whiskey. Okay? So this is where they do their drinking sessions with friends. And there's a huge video wall.
Okay. Video wall, so kung anong gusto nila panoorin while
Yes.
they're like
Yeah.
enjoying and relaxing.
Okay, so we're right here in their theater room. They love watching movies together. So this is how they spend their time together as they bond together from watching this movie here.
Actually, sobrang perfect tuloy ngayon ng home theater because of the
Yeah.
lockdown. No one's
Yes.
going to the cinemas. So this is a great way for their family to bond.
Yeah.
At saka sarap ha. Look at all the couches. Diba?
You wanna try? Wanna
Sige,
try now?
let's try. Like a boss.
Yes.
You weren't kidding when you said this is an entertainment floor.
Yes, yes. So actually we need to put up this mini basketball so that the kids, the boys can play ball here. Actually, all of them are competitive players. They're varsity players actually in their high school. So this is where they usually play.
And pwede sila mag-train, di ba?
Yeah.
So I guess Architect, the lady of the house, loves her shoes and her bags.
Yes, actually, this used to be just half of the room. The other half supposed to be a deck. It's supposed to be a deck. Pero special request ni
The
lady
lady,
client, ni
yeah.
Madam. So, yun. So, this is a huge bag and shoe room actually.
It feels like a store, a retail
Yes,
store, no?
yes. Right here at the eldest son, the room of the eldest son. Yeah, their firstborn. It's right in the third floor also.
Ngayon naman, Architect, feeling ko parang nasa toy store ako.
Yeah, yeah. So, actually, they're into bear bricks, mga specialty toys talaga. So, para kang nasa toy store actually. Very true. Yeah. This is the bedroom actually of their two boys naman.
Hindi naman yung difference dito, the beds are elevated.
Yes, yes. They're platform style. Gusto nila kasi medyo Japanese yung feel. So, yun. That's what the interior designer did.
Ang ganda na ng lahat ng bedrooms, pero mas excited ako dito sa master's bedroom kasi I assume na level up ito.
Yes, very true. Actually, this is not a room. It's actually a suite. It's a master suite. So may anteroom. We're actually standing on the anteroom right now. So later I'll show you the walk-in closet and the toilet and then the master room itself. Okay.
This is for, sorry, dagdag ko lang. So this area, parang dito sila pwede mag-lounge.
Yes, lounging. Yeah, snack, there's the snack bar, like, yeah. So we're at the master's tea and toilet and bath and their huge walk-in closet. So
Architect, akala ko yung pinakita mo sa akin kanina, that was it. I thought that was the walk-in closet. Hindi pa pala. It was just bags
and shoe room lang yun.
Now, it's really clothes and accessories.
Yes, this is.
So, ito, this was requested by the owner.
Yes. Actually, yun nga, we tailor it to their needs, di ba? So, they have so many clothes and they usually go abroad a lot. So, they have several seasonal clothes eh. So, para magkasya lahat. Yeah.
Architect, I feel like I'm in a 6-star hotel, ganyan.
Yes, actually, very true. Yung taste kasi nung owner, yung palette niya, because as I said before, they usually travel abroad, so they wanted to feel like a hotel talaga. That's actually their request. So this is their master bedroom itself.
Oh, kasi it feels very luxurious, pero relaxing pa din.
Yes,
It's still a home.
Yeah.
Architect, I noticed there's a lot of like huge empty spaces like this one here.
Yes. Yun nga, but part of this is balcony, you can lounge it, it's part of the master suite. Of course, one more purpose of this is to keep out the sun. The balcony keeps away the sun, direct sunlight.
Kung ganito pa naman kaganda yung bahay niya, ako ayoko nang lumabas ng bahay. Gusto ko, lagi na lang ako nasa loob. Thank you so much, Architect, for joining us.
Thank you, Valerie. Thank you, Buildeee, for having me. Please follow my Instagram account, ejso_architect. It's also on Facebook. Please support Buildeee. And for your projects and houses, get an architect.
That is right. Thank you so much, Architect. And guys, do follow, like, and subscribe Buildeee for more videos. My name is Valerie Tan. Thank you so much, guys. Stay healthy.
Bye. Thank you.
Like, follow, and subscribe to Buildeee for more of our videos. Merry
Merry
Christmas!